Northwood has allowed me the ability to actually interact and do things with my kids as they were growing up. Because we don't work night shift, swing shift, or weekends, I am able to be a part of the kids' activities. At Northwood Manufacturing, I started out as an assembler and then worked my way up to utility and then lead, and then eventually had an opportunity to become a draftsman in the office. And even from the beginning, I was able to support my family comfortably. Having a career at Northwood means that you get medical, dental, and optical, as well as a 401k to give you security as you work towards retirement. If you want more than just a job, if you want a career and you want to be a part of a great community, then come and apply at Northwood Manufacturing and join the family.